Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Then Colors. I am here with my beautiful mom, who is my model today, and we are looking at what colors look great for somebody that has salt and pepper hair. So if you have salt and pepper hair, you will want to watch this video. All right, so let's start with, this is what I call Hue Group 1, which is a cool group. And you might already know this, but salt and pepper hair is definitely cool, meaning you want to have some blue undertones in the colors you wear. So all of these do have blue in them, but let's see which one looks best. Oops. So this burgundy color definitely would work. However, I might bring in a brighter color because salt and pepper hair can handle brightness. So while this will work, I might add a bright accent here. So then let's look at the next one, which is more of a raspberry color. And I do like this. It's definitely flattering. However, she can handle a little bit more brightness. So let's go a little bit brighter. So this color is, I would say, between hot pink and a fuchsia. And this is my favorite for her overall. I just think like she can handle that brightness. And you like this color too, right?
Love it. Yeah.
So this is definitely one of her best colors. If you have salt and pepper hair, I would say try it out. This might be one that will really work for you. So we're going to come back, and in the next video, we will look at the best reds for salt and pepper hair. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you'd like to get on my email newsletter list, make sure you write newsletter in the comments and I will sign you up, and I'll see you later. Bye.